This is perhaps the week's biggest fixture. Asante Kotoko. They feel the breath of goal stars right behind their necks. There will be no hiding place if they drop points, and they know it. Berekum Chelsea played here over the weekend in the FA Cup and will hope for a similar result. Welcome, wherever you are, to Baba Yara Sports Stadium for the Ghana Premier League Match Day 21 outstanding game. And at least Berekum Chelsea will do the job for them. Let's quickly go through the lineups for this game. Dr. Prosper Nateogum, the head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, has made few changes. Obin Sechere has taken the post. Hussein Zakaria, Stephen Amang have to do. This is what we want to see. Emmanuel Entry is back into the lineup.
But both coaches knows themselves very well. Samuel Bodo and also
who take the note. Will Berekum Chelsea hold Asante Kotoko, pull them back, and make sure they do not occupy top spot this afternoon.
Kotoko goal per game ratio is 1.09 as compared to 0.9, where it tells you Kotoko often creates a lot of goal scoring opportunities against opponents. So let's see whether they can do it this afternoon against Berekum Chelsea.
This is a good turn. Kwame Opoku committing lots of men up front. Just hoping they could get an early goal. This is good run from Hubert, the cross. Michael Sefa does well. This is Kulu. Table this afternoon.
The pressing scheme from Berekum Chelsea is not that intense, so Kotoko often do very well smoothly from the back. And finding players in the channels is something huge that Berekum Chelsea
hope to pull Kotoko back upon Seydou gets to it. Mankuna went in, but the clearance was quite swift. Daniel Ajete takes Justice Billy Flakes with a block.
These two boys can shoot from distance.
That shot was just across the face of goal. And Gregory Obinsechere will be a happy man.
They concede 0.91 goal per game.
3 years corner. Patrick Asiedu. Getting back into the box.
A fear factor alone. Something so good for Kotoko.
Daniel Ajete can they speed it? And the header goes. And Prosper Ogum knows this would have been their moment. But again, very good defense from Berekum Chelsea. Ajete gets back to it, ready to bring it on again. Gregory Obinsechere this time claims. And Berekum Chelsea will have the opportunity to set another attack up and hope it becomes fruitful. Michaka Free gets to Jonah Tukwe. Prosper Ogum issuing instructions. Would it be Patrick Asiedu? Asiedu takes straight into the wall. This is in team. And Gregory Obinsechere. Zakaria gets Seydou. Justice Blay intercept. Aqua. Entry. Aqua gets it back. Feeble shot.
Entry was within because for him and the quality he portrays, he is deadly.
Obinsechere out with a save. This is Mishak put in for Stephen Amankona. The first time there is 1v1 and Amankona shoots. And he wins the corner. Just what you should be expecting. Up there with 44 points. Asante Kotoko. Second with 42. Peter Amidu. Another feeble ball from Peter. For Mensa. Meshaka free. Berekum Chelsea. Gathering momentum. Kuluaje. Amankona puts in that cross. And the whistle goes for her. Intim gets it back. Kwame Poku. This is dangerous for Berekum Chelsea. And the referee says
very high in goals. 2 goals for the young guy.
Samba now. Ball towards Patrick Asiedu. The cross comes in. And Kwame Opoku. This is in team. Frustrations in the stands. Justice Blake. Tusu Baba Yaya. Out for Ajete. And Yaya shoots. Kotoko put in pressure. Vincent Kulu. Amankona. Could this be the chance? Stephen Amankona. Amankona blasted. Aqua. Kwame Poku. Down to Baba Yaya. Could this be the moment? Blasted. That will be a corner for Asante Kotoko. Ajete right there to deal with it. Asiedu. This is Ajete. Ajete blasted in. And Ajete has finally found it. The goal they so much wanted. The goal they so much desired. It has finally arrived. And Daniel Adrian Ajete. Brilliant strike. And Kotoko lead. They lead. And Bedlam among the fans. Everyone is excited here.
The goal keeps coming. And this young man just struck the ball at the right time. He took off to the Mankuna and he was allowed with a lot of spaces and made a mistake. That was a short corner taken. And Patrick Asedu took off. And that belter. Same power, same accuracy, just like the one they scored against Basake. But this time, Ajete.
Amidu set up. Good defense. And the fans are now